Alright, what's up guys, it's your boy Mikey Will here. I'm gonna show you what the upgraded 72 volt Electron company Surron EMXRON kit. Yo, this thing is dope guys, you guys gotta check it out. I never actually tried one of those Emoto Bros BAC 4000 ones. Never tried one of those before, but definitely the future holds some cool stuff, so I'm just gonna get right into it, yo. Kabow. Alright, we on. I only like a half battery because I thought this battery was charging, but it wasn't. Alright. I don't have a granny mode or slow mode no more. So it's all just yeah, it's all just yeet, dude. I'm gonna show you what's good. A bad one or whatever. Yeesh. This thing's got the juice there, yo, for real. And yeah, let me slow down a little bit. I'm sure you guys probably can't even hear me because of the wind, but yo, the battery came out great. I actually never posted a part 2 because I actually never got a chance to successfully print a case for it, so I ended up going with just wrap and some waterproof vinyl wrap, just so this thing doesn't get wet. So I mean, I built it. It's expensive to me, but in comparison to cheap batteries and everything else, dude, building this battery was worth every penny. You know what I'm saying? Because now I got the zippity zip zop zoops. You know what I'm saying? How we doing? Alright, move it. Why was there a car coming? Ooh. Bunch of cool car art. I mean, street art. Car art. But yeah, yo, this thing's got no problem being up to balance point or anything. Like, I caught myself like overeating myself and stuff like that. I'm stopping at the stop sign. There's people coming or something. That was bad. But yo, this thing's got unlimited power. Let's go to cul-de-sac. So you got these good. Alright, wow. Ooh, I was lost it there. But you see, you guys see how like my foot's on, my hand's always on the foot brake. Rear brake, foot brake, not foot brake. I'm thinking this is regular bikes and stuff like that. My bad, handbrake right here. Bow, 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 bow. Whenever you come too fast and you feel you're getting scared or something like that. Oh, gee, don't stop. Oh yeah, you just hit this real quick. But well, that sounds pretty good. But at 72 volt, it's like a lot more scary when you're doing you're doing circle wheelies. You see, the suspension's so soft, it kind of just bucks you off sometimes. But I guess you guys will figure it out, just like I'm figuring it out. I couldn't turn. Oh yeah. Yo, it's been cold here on the East Coast, so it's been sucking the ride. Everything just sucks. But nah, I'm just kidding, yeah. Yeah, it's just been too cold. So you go outside, you freeze your nuts off, and then like, what's the fun in that? I mean, you get your wheelies in, but your face is freezing, your nuts are freezing, your chest is freezing, your butt cheeks are freezing, and then you just go inside and like you shock yourself because like you're just so freezing. But yeah, when you're stunting, oh man, you get some crazy battery life. I think I started at 73.8. Like I don't even know. It wasn't a full charge at all. Oh, and there's a big difference between 73 volts and when this thing's fully charged. It feels like a missile. Oh yeah, let's do a little tutorial on how to get to a balance point, guys. For me, especially when I'm starting it like slow, I'd like to do it slow so I can, like, in case I fall or something like that, you just like keep it chill. Some people put both legs out. I don't like that. It's kind of sketchy because it's so easy to whiskey throttle and just lose the bike completely. Most of the time I just put a leg down or something like that, either right or left, whatever you're more comfortable with. I mean, either way you're gonna have to get used to ripping both legs, you know. I tried to switch legs, I couldn't do it. You hear those brakes? Those brakes suck. See, that's what you don't want. You don't be going too fast. You just want to keep the cruise to a minimum. And then you come up. Oh, back brake. Oh, I lost it. I couldn't turn and there's grass coming up. But you guys are seeing it there. So, and I'll run it back in slow motion if you guys want to see it a little bit clear. So it's just hold the brake in a little bit because you don't want to get yeeted out. So put your left or right foot down. Oh, the right one's a little sketchy to me still. Here we go. 12 o'clock. You just let the bike come all the way up, guys. All the way up. I'm like, look, dude, I'm going 0. Oh. Alright, enough of that. Let's get back to all the other stuff. Yo, this thing is strong enough to power wheelie. I highly advise not to do that. It's power wheeling. You know, you just get too comfortable with it, and then you think you get nice, and then you see people that actually can wheelie, and then you see that they're telling you how to get more control. You just run into some problems. So you just want to, like, have your control from the rip, guys. Oh, car coming. It's all going in over there. What's up, guys? Yeah, I'm trying to do it with this car going nice. Yeah, let's go in this way. I can't hold it, guys. Oh, another dog. What's up, gang? Yeah, I did turn the wheel a lot of it because I was losing it. I was trying to keep it in there for the longest. I did though, like I held it, but that's like the next part of the video, like body shifting. You guys gotta move with the bike, or even like move your seat like a little bit. Standing up is sketch on this thing, dude. Like I could do it sometimes. That was a bad one. Yeah, I'm no Surron, guys. I've only had this thing since like November. I just upgraded it like 2 weeks ago. Good track. Back up. Stop sign again. Yo, oh no, this thing rips, you know what I'm saying? People were saying this thing's overheating and stuff like that. Maybe it's just cold outside, I don't know. Like, this thing's awesome. I know you guys probably want to see. I'll do a little quick top speed. Here we go. Oh man, dude. I'm not going any faster than that. That is sketchy. And I didn't have enough battery to really hit top speed, but you guys saw that. I was like 50 miles an hour, like super fast, you know what I'm saying? Like the stock Surron, like downhill goes like 51, 52. Dude, that was like 60, 70% throttle. I've gotten this thing up to 65. Like on a nice smooth, I mean this is a nice smooth road, but it's residential, you know what I'm saying? I can go 60, dude, that's crazy. But I don't know, you still do wheelies. chasing that one out. That wasn't good, guys. I mean, I still hit the turn and stuff, but I was going like ultimately too fast. I don't know. You guys leave. Yo, I didn't say this before. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. That means so much, guys. For real. This helmet sucks, dude. I don't even be wearing this helmet when I be riding. And the other helmets for this kind of stuff. This thing is sick. It's got so much juice, dude. Yeah, yo. What else I want to say? Probably hit 1 or 2 more videos for you guys. I'm about to close this one out, guys, because it's about to get dark, and I want to focus on the riding. That was bad, yo. Ah, man, that was a good one, but it was bad. Like, I had it in the beginning, I wasted it. Yo, all in all, this thing rips, you know what I'm saying? People were saying this thing's overheating and stuff like that. Maybe it's just cold outside, I don't know. Like, this thing's awesome. I know you guys probably want to see it. I'll do a little quick top speed. Oh man, dude. I'm not going any faster than that. That is sketchy. And I didn't have enough battery to really hit top speed, but you guys saw that. I was like 50 miles an hour, like super fast, you know what I'm saying? Like the stock Surron, like downhill goes like 51, 52. Dude, that was like 60, 70% throttle. I've gotten this thing up to 65. Like, on a nice smooth, I mean this is a nice smooth road, but it's residential, you know what I'm saying? I can go 60, dude, that's crazy. But I don't know, you still do wheelies though. I was chasing that one out. That wasn't good, guys. I mean, I still hit the turn and stuff, but I was going like ultimately too fast. I don't know. You guys leave. Yo, I didn't say this before. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. That means so much, guys. For real. Other helmets for this kind of stuff. This thing is sick. It's got so much juice, dude. Man, that was a good one, but it was bad. Like, I had it in the beginning, I wasted it. This guy is gonna lose it. Ah! I got the wobbles on the way line. Cruising 50, no problem. No problem. Knee knockers, check. Yeah, but after giving this battery a little bit of work, what am I at, like 70 volts? I gave this battery a little bit of work. To give this Electron company 72 volt EMXRON kit, I gotta give this thing like a 9.6. Like, and then here's the reason why I say that. If you are into the regen braking and stuff like that, I'm just gonna say that I don't think this is for you, because the regen is very slight on this. Like I'm still coasting, like I'm straight up coasting, you know what I'm saying? But like that's cool for stunting and stuff like that, or if you're into like enduro, or like even like MX or EMX, you know what I'm saying? And like that stuff's cool because you don't have to like, because the engine braking on like the stock setup is just, it was a little too much. It was just like, it was so like you almost didn't need your rear brake at all. I mean, don't get me wrong, you obviously need it, but like the engine, like the engine braking, the regenerative braking is very strong on the stock version of this. So I never tried the 60 volt, or what is it? It's 60 volt or 62 volt or whatever it is. But I'm sure that one's gas too. Like if you have the the bypass battery version, you know. Like whatever, I don't know what you guys be buying, yeah. But yeah, that's why I give this thing a 9.6. Yo, if you guys like that E-Moto Bro is probably like a 9.9 because you got a lot of like plug and play, not like plug and play, because it's all really plug and play, but you have a lot of, they give you a lot of options, you know what I'm saying? One thing Electro company gives you is this kind of neat little voltmeter. That's gangsta, you know what I'm saying? Like that's gangsta enough for me. I don't really need much on my ride, you know what I'm saying? But some people do. Some people like all the hand switches and all that stuff. Like that stuff's G too, but I just want to give you guys an honest review because there's like nothing out there, bro. I was looking for months, and like hopefully this gives you like a chill little something so you can go off of when you do your upgrade, and you feel that the stock isn't enough and you want to do some more. I'm like midway through this project now. Like I still want to do the forks, the back springs. I don't think I'm gonna go with the tiny Supermoto mini wheels. I'll probably get some Sumos, but like maybe some 16 or 17 inch ones. But other than that, this thing's G, man. This thing is G. I let it go too low. I paid myself. But I'm gonna let y'all go, man. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Booty bop 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 boop beep beep bop. But there was a car behind me. That was real awkward. Peace.